How's it going, everyone? Brandon here with Pressure Perfect AZ. Myself and my team member Austin are out here at the brand new Mystic Community Clubhouse taking care of their pressure washing needs. We'll be pressure washing the curbing alongside their parking stalls as well as the walkway around the freshly built clubhouse. Some of the other services we offer not only is commercial pressure washing, but we'll also do pressure washing for any residential home, the exterior of the home, pool decking, your driveway, sidewalk, whatever you may need. Give us a call and let us know. We're out here in the North Peoria area today at the Mystic Clubhouse, but we also do service the entire Phoenix Valley area. So give us a call for any of your pressure washing needs.
Welcome to Pressure Perfect AZ, experts in pressure washing, cleaning, and sanitation in the Phoenix, Arizona Valley. We provide residential and commercial pressure washing, cleaning, COVID-19 sanitation, and disinfecting services throughout the Phoenix, Arizona Valley, including Scottsdale, Tempe, Litchfield Park, Glendale, Peoria, Surprise, Sun City, Goodyear, Avondale, Buckeye, Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler, Queen Creek, Tan Valley, and Apache Junction. Our residential pressure washing service is great for driveways, patios, walkways, pool decks, home exteriors, solar panels, and roofs. Give us a call at 602-693-1376 and we'll have your home or commercial property looking great in no time. Schedule your commercial business or residential home pressure washing, cleaning, or COVID-19 sanitation service with the Pressure Perfect AZ team online at pressureperfectaz.com.